Welcome back to CarZone 2024, where today we are diving into the details of the 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 429, an iconic beast with a modern twist. This legendary model pays homage to its historical roots while embracing cutting-edge design and performance features. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Mustang Boss 429 captures attention with its aggressive stance and bold lines. Its front end is dominated by a prominent grille with the blacked-out Ford emblem, flanked by sleek LED headlights that offer a menacing glare. The redesigned bumper features larger air intakes, optimizing airflow and enhancing the car's aerodynamic profile. The long, sculpted hood of the Boss 429 is one of its standout features, adorned with a distinctive power bulge that hints at the raw power beneath. A functional hood vent further aids in cooling the high-performance engine. The car's profile is characterized by sharply defined character lines and an aggressive lower body, complemented by side skirts that enhance its aerodynamic efficiency. The 2025 Boss 429 rides on massive 20-inch alloy wheels, which are not only striking in design but also crucial for handling and stability. Wrapped in high-performance tires, these wheels are housed within flared wheel arches that give the car a wider, more planted stance. The rear end of the Boss 429 features a bold rear spoiler that adds downforce and complements the car's aerodynamic design. One of the most noticeable features is the quad exhaust system integrated into the rear bumper, delivering not just a thunderous roar but also a visually aggressive look. The rear taillights are sleek and modern, with LED elements that give the Boss 429 a distinctive, futuristic appearance. The overall paint options include a range of vibrant colors, from deep blues to bright reds, allowing buyers to choose a finish that matches their personal style. In terms of performance enhancements, the exterior design of the Boss 429 is engineered for maximum efficiency and aerodynamic performance. The use of lighter-weight materials such as carbon fiber in the hood and rear spoiler contributes to improved handling and speed. The car's design is a perfect blend of modern aesthetics and functional performance. That's it for our detailed look at the exterior of the 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 429. Stay tuned to CarZone 2024 for more in-depth reviews and the latest automotive news. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.